Hello everyone, this is Coach Emmett, and I got this question from WIEC 2001 question 26. The question says the bearing of 40 degrees south to the east is the same as. Now before I actually go ahead to solve this, it's important to know that when you see 40 degrees south to the east or south 40 degree east, it is simply what we call compass bearing. And when you are asked to find the equivalent of it, it is most likely going to be for you to change it from a compass bearing to a three-figure bearing. So I'm going to be showing you how that is actually done. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw my quadrant. And in my quadrant, of course, we know yet to be north, we know yet to be east, we know yet to be south, and we know yet to be west. Now, from the question, we are going from the south to the east. Now, since I'm going from the south to the east, it is important for us to know something before I proceed with that. In our quadrant, yes, there is 90 degrees. It's always 90 degrees for all. 90 degrees, 90 degrees as well. So now, since I'm going from the south to the east, 40 degrees. From south to east, similarly, my direction is from south here down to east. So it means I'm just going to just roll a line in between it. And then here is going to be my 40 degrees. But remember, I mentioned something earlier on that every quadrant is 90 degrees. Each of the quadrant is 90 degrees. So if here is 40 degrees, what do I add to this 40 to make it 90? So in that case, here is going to be what? 50 degrees. Now, how do I now find this in three-figure bearing? Remember, I said something that we are in compass bearing right now, and we have to transform it to three-figure bearing. Now, in three-figure bearing, we are starting from the north. That's one thing to know or to take note of when it comes to three-figure bearing. We are starting from the north here down to where this point is, where the line actually is. So now, if here is 90, remember, for the north to the east is 90, and then from the east here down to where this line is, we calculated it to be what? 50 degrees. So 50 degrees as well. So degrees. Now if you add 90 plus 50, that's going to give us what? 140 degrees. So this simply means 40 degrees south to the east is equivalent to 140 degrees in three-figure bearing. This is going to be our answer.